Friday Workshop!
Friday Workshop! It's the Friday Workshop rap!
Yeah!
It's time for safety!
Here we go!
Don't cut off your fingers, don't poke out your eyes, don't lose your hearing, and try not to die. Wear a dust mask when you take a breath, cause if you can't breathe, you'll bang for death.
Rule 1, never put flesh between wood and tool, cause if you do, you're a straight up fool. Your fingers are soft, fleshy, meat. Pay attention to the ones that you wanna keep. Rule 2, cover your ears, eyes, and face to protect your head all over the place. Wear protective equipment if your future is bright. You'll retain your hearing, breathing, and sight.
Don't cut off your fingers, don't poke out your eyes, don't lose your hearing, and try not to die. Wear a dust mask when you take a breath, cause if you can't breathe, you'll bang for death.
Rule 3, watch for rags that will just combust. Use a metal can with a lid that shuts. While you're fast asleep, the setting might be dire. It's up to 10 hours for a rag to catch fire. Rule 4, dull blades are the cause of injury. The sharper the blade, the safer you'll be. Check for nails, staples, and other crap in your wood, cause a shattered blade to your eyes is no good.
Don't cut off your fingers, don't poke out your eyes, don't lose your hearing, and try not to die. Wear a dust mask when you take a breath, cause if you can't breathe, you'll bang for death.
Rule 5, be certain to maintain your focus. Limit distractions, horseplay, and loose clothing. Your jokes are dumb and you aren't funny. We're here to keep all our fingers and make lots of money. Rule 6, your tools should come with a manual. Safety guidelines in there are factual. Read them for tips that we may have missed, cause the safety rap is not an exhaustive list.
Don't cut off your fingers, don't poke out your eyes, don't lose your hearing, and try not to die. Wear a dust mask when you take a breath, cause if you can't breathe, you're begging for death.